Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, this video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, and still now you're not successful to unlock your smartphone by wasting a lots of videos to unlock your smartphone. So don't worry at all. The new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely, and you don't need to go any service center of a smartphone, and you don't need any computer application, and you don't have to pay a single penny to unlock your smartphone. And the main thing is that in this video you're not going to losing any data of your smartphone. The main thing is that, okay, so let's start how you will unlock your smartphone by sitting at home. Simply you will have to switch off all your phone's network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. So simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this. Now you can see here there is an option of a airplane mode or flight mode. So firstly you will have to activate your phone's flight mode option. After activating your flight mode option, your phone's all the network will be switched off like this. Okay, now simply you will have to slide your phone upside like this. Now you can see here there is an option of a emergency SOS option. Simply click on this. After clicking on this option, you can see here your phone's dialing pad has been activated on your phone. Okay, so there is a special USSD code which will switch your phones to the master unlocking mode page or engineers mode page, and this USSD code is *#899 then #. Now you can see here after feeding this number a new page has been appeared. Now you can see here there is an option of a manual test option. Okay, simply you will have to click on this manual test option, and when you will click on this manual test option, you will reach to a new page. That page name is engineers mode page, and you will get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other, which will comes at the end of the slide. Okay, now you can see here there are 4 or 5 type of option on this page. Okay, and you can see here the fourth option is showing here mainboard version or database version. So simply you will have to click on this mainboard version or database version 5 times continuously, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now the first step has been done. Now you can see here there is an option of a read write important lock test. So simply you will have to go with this read write important lock test option. At the first time when you will click on this, it will ask to confirm, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here at the first time, and the second time again you will have to cancel here, and the third time again you will have to cancel here. But at the fourth time when you will go with this, you will have to go with the OK button, and when you will go with the OK button, you will get a pop-up of a wrong password. It means your phone has been completely unlocked. Now you don't have to do anything with the smartphone. Simply you will have to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So how will you check? Now you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. Simply you will have to click on this home button, and when you will click on this home button, now you can see my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application and all the data which were in my smartphone as it is and as in my smartphone. It means this trick really works, my friend. And if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video, or you may also make a comment if your phone has been could not unlock with the help of this video. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much.